All right. How many of y'all at the age to say what you want to say? This is just my 2 cents. This has nothing to do with entrepreneurial life, but it could, but it may not. But I'm just going to say it. I'm sick and tired of seeing young men with their pants hanging down with their drawers showing. And on top of that, they drawers don't even be clean. It's a big brown spot or line going straight down the middle of most of their drawers. Okay? And what's even worse is that it's young ladies walking around with these boys and men walking around with their pants hanging down and drawers showing with them doo-doo stains in them. Okay, now, the reason I'm even talking about this, I've had 1 or 2 people come for an interview. They don't interview like they used to, where everybody would used to come looking halfway decent. Now, they just show up like they're in a rap video. Well, I don't produce rap videos. I provide services. I provide event decorating services, and I provide ride service or ride share services. So nobody representing my business will show up at a client's events or to pick up somebody looking like they're in a dirty rap video. Okay? So y'all can hate on me. Y'all can say what you like, what you want to, you can say whatever you want to say. It is not respectful for a man to walk around with his pants sagging down to his knees, showing his underwear, then his dirty underwear at that. And it's definitely not respectable for a woman who has self-respect to be walking around with a man walking around with his dirty drawers showing. Okay? I prefer to not see your drawers at all. But I'm strictly talking about business. You ain't getting a job with me looking like that. Okay? And I'm pretty sure it's other business owners that feel the same way. I'm not other theory that you don't judge a book by its cover. In my business, both of them, you have to judge a book by its cover. Like I said, in my business, you do have to judge a book by its cover. And a matter of fact, our customers are judging us on how we show up and represent. Okay? So not judging a book by its cover could be detrimental to the success of your business. So just keep that in mind. Men, boys, teenagers, whoever, however you identify, pull your pants up. Okay? Even if you a fake man, wannabe man, it still don't look good. Pull your pants up. Just pull them up. Look like a decent young or older man. Okay? And ladies or men, or however you identify, stop walking around with men and wannabe men with their pants hanging down. Okay? Show some respect and some class for yourself and for your community. We always talk about black this and black that and all the other stuff. So why y'all making us, if you want to say us, look bad? Okay? You can't possibly think that walking around with your pants hanging down to your ankles with your doodle stained drawers is making the community. They always say their community. I'll tell you about my thoughts on the community in another video. But they always say in the community, look bad. Okay? So, first of all, go get you some Arm & Hammer, some Tide, or some All. Wash your drawers. And if you don't know how to wash them, call Big Mama or somebody. Better yet, get on YouTube. I'm sure there's a video to tell you how to wash your clothes. Okay? Tell you how to do the pre-wash, the wash, and the dry. Make sure they all the way dry. Because if they ain't dry, they're going to smell a little musty. All right? Get on YouTube. Figure out how to wash your drawers. Okay? Wash them Put them on. And if you need to find an older gentleman to show you how your clothes are supposed to be properly fitted, then do that. Okay? Get your drawers clean, pull your pants up, and then go out in public like a respectable young man. Okay? Ladies, girls, teenagers, old women, stop walking around with these men with their pants hanging all the way down. Is that the best that you can do? Honestly, is that the best that you can do? Okay? And if you hanging out with them and their drawers is dirty, what does that say about you? You can't even wash no good pair of drawers. Okay? Now, this just my 2 cents. I know some people are not going to agree with it. It is not to be funny. This is a serious matter. I am so sick and tired of seeing young men and old men at that walk around with their pants hanging down with them dirty drawers on. Fix the problem, y'all. If you got low self-esteem, go get some self-esteem. Do something. Both of y'all. I think the person with the pants hanging down and the person walking with them got low self-esteem. Y'all build each other up. Have him put on some clean drawers and raise his pants up, and you tell him that he look good with his pants pulled up. Okay? Do something. But them dirty drawers with them pants hanging down has got to stop. Please, 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 please.